What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. My name is Melissa Ruby and I am welcoming you guys into my channel. I know I have a lot of new people on my channel as of recently because I am doing the giveaway. So if you enter the giveaway and you're either a new subscriber or you've been here for the longest, either way, I want to thank you guys for joining this giveaway, for subscribing, for sharing, for following my Instas and all of that good stuff. So I really do appreciate that, you guys. So for this video, if you guys are still not following me on my Instagram handle is I am Melissa Ruby, or I am Melissa Ruby, which is how I kind of like envisioned it sounding, you know. My question on IG was, which one should I film a tutorial with? And one of them was the Extended Bronze Kylie palette, which is one of my favorites. So I gave you guys to choose from this one or the ABH Norvina palette. A lot of you guys said the Norvina, but also a lot of you guys said the Kylie, and I know it goes different. Like, we are all different. There's like some people who really love color, and there's people who love neutrals. I am a little bit of both. Like, I'm here for all of it. So with that being said, let's get into the Norvina palette tutorial right now. Okay, all right, you guys, for this first step, we are actually going to prime our face. I am using the Too Faced Poreless Primer, and this is an actual, you know, it's like a very creamy primer. It's very thick, girl, she's thick. That's what she looks like. You don't need a lot of it. So I like to take this on my fingertips and just work it in those areas where I need my pores to be filled. The foundations that I'm working with today are going to be the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. And the other foundation that I'm working with is the Photo Ready Candid Foundation it's a natural finish anti-pollution foundation from Revlon. And I'm just going to take a little bit of both on the back of my hand, but I really like the color of this one and I like the finish of the other one. So we're gonna mix them just like so. So I ended up switching from my Jeffree brush because I guess I didn't realize that I was going to have to really cover up these dried out like blemish marks. I just forgot. Like, I'm telling you guys, I never ever break out, but I've just been breaking out like crazy. Oh my gosh, I love that. You guys, these two are such a freaking amazing duo. These two foundations together are just like everything. Like, they are amazing. They are drugstore, but honestly, I cannot get over how great this looks. And I'm wondering if it's because of the foundations together or because of the primer. So we're just gonna let that be. Also, the brush is probably key to that because it's a very dense packing brush. So I love the fact that it looks super coverage, full coverage. So yes, yay with that. So we are done with the foundation. I like how these two work together. Here's the Jeffree Star concealer. Everybody knows that this concealer is amazing. This is the shade C11, So Good. And then this is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in shade medium beige. I am going to use a little bit of my Too Faced bronzer. This is the medium deep matte bronzer, the Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a little bit more. I'm gonna hit that chin area. Okay, so I'm gonna take my KKW bronzing quad, and I love these two colors. Like, they are amazing. So I'm gonna go in with the warm color first, and I'm just going to apply that over the top. For blush, I am going to cave in and use the Scott Barnes blush palette. Here we are. I want to use some of this Mango Fizz, just Mango Fizz. It's been my jam. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of Rosé right here, and I'm going to add this as well. So for my highlight, I am going in with Fuego. This is the Dose of Colors highlight. This is the Desi and Katie collab collection, and we are going to use the KKW brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit, and we're just going to apply that right here. Ooh, girl. Ooh. We are going to finish with the Morphe X Jeffree spray. I'm going to tell you guys the rundown of my brushes. So we are going to use the Morphe M433, the Jeffree X Morphe JS6. We are going to use the MAC 221, and we are going to use the Morphe M506. We are going to go in with the P. Louise Base Pro in shade number 2 and just apply this all over. And I'm gonna start where I have my crease, and I'm just gonna push this up towards my brow. I'm just gonna blow this color off, and then we're gonna go back in to intensify it. But first, I want to create that shape, which is what I always do. And we're just kind of packing it in now because the first step we blended out already. So I'm going to use C3 is this beautiful color, and it's just like calling my name out. Look at how beautiful it is. So yes, we are using her right on our lid. Look at that. Okay, let's do some mascara. I went back to an oldie but a goodie, the Falsies Volume Lash Mascara, and I always curl my lashes. So let's do this really quick. For the lips, I am doing the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit in Exposed. This is it. It's very nude, very fabulous. I'm obsessed. pretty. Like, even if you just, with a lip liner, even if you just rock it like that, it looks so good as a lipstick. All right, you guys, that was it for this final look. This was the tutorial using the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys are looking for an overall palette where you can do natural looks but also have a little fun with the color, this is definitely a palette to look at. But yes, the formula, the shadows, they blend out beautifully, and as you guys see, like, your looks will come out really, really nice as well. So let me know if you guys end up deciding to cop this. And yeah, so if you guys decide to recreate this makeup tutorial, don't forget to tag me on your social media platform, wherever it is that you are sharing. And don't forget to follow me at my Instagram. So if you guys want to see a close-up or some really cool pictures of this look, then head on over to my Instagram. That is where I'm the most active, I would say. That was it for this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our familia here on YouTube. So that was all for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Adios. Bye.